equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a static-free workspace. First, power off your Dell XPS and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the panel to access the internals. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. This helps maintain performance. Next, visually inspect the components. Look for any signs of damage or wear. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. For data extraction, locate the hard drive. Disconnect it carefully, ensuring you don't damage any connectors. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once you've extracted the information, reassemble your device by reversing the steps. Secure the back panel with the screws. Finally, power on your Dell XPS and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you need repairs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.